Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, September 9, 2021. The markets are starting to drop here on this rollover afternoon. I have not seen any news that is driving this yet, so not sure that there's news behind this or not, but the markets are dropping. We've got about 32 points of range as we trade at the lows of the S&P this afternoon. And what we're going to be looking at as we approach the close is this September rollover day. So let me hop into Discover, and we will look at what has happened historically as we approach the close at the end of the rollover session in September. So let me get this set up. I've got a 3 p.m. Eastern Time entry selected here. This is set up as a long trade that will exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Next, I'm going to go into the calendar library. I'm going to say that it is the month of September, and I'm going to grab that from the active today. So I'm going to click right there on September, and then I'm going to go to the market events, just one more down here, and I'm going to select from the active today. That is the equity index futures rollover. So special day here today, and now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time on the day of the official rollover for September. So historically, we've got 18 samples to look at for the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, and Russell, and that's data going back to 2003. This day happens once per year. I've not added any other technical indicators to this, no sort of price action, so we're looking strictly seasonality based on this study, and the win rates on them are fairly weak with the exception of Russell. Russell is favored at 61% historically, but the others are pretty weak. The S&P coming in at 28% of those have closed above that 3 p.m. price. For the NASDAQ, it's 39%. For the Dow, 33%. And then, as I mentioned earlier, the Russell, the only one that is favorable there at 61%. But as a group, they look like they have been weaker on this day heading into the close. Now, if we look at the average moves here, it looks like the average win a little bit larger than the average loss for the S&P. That is also the case for the Dow. For the Russell and the NASDAQ, the average loss has been larger than the average win. So historically, I see win rates here that have been a little bit weaker, which is what stands out most to me in this study. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow.